A poorly placed hand dryer defeats its own purpose and got a guy soaked in his own… well, just look at the photo. I think it speaks for itself. I'm Montalbano for Buzz60. Gordy Wallace swears he has great aim, but he says when he went to use the toilet at the Handmade Burger Company in Scotland, the automatic dryer turned on midstream and he got sprayed. He posted to the restaurant's Facebook page he was forced to throw away his clothes, and he believes he developed a phobia of hand dryers. Food was ace though. And because Wallace was able to laugh at the situation, the restaurant had some fun with the incident as well. It apologized to him and posted this photo of the staff all geared up to go into the bathroom. We have asked all of our restaurant teams to perform rigorous tests in their toilets to ensure this is a one-off experience. It also offered to replace his sneakers and send him a monthly subscription of new socks for a year. But if he liked the food so much, why not just offer him a free meal? Hold the drinks, of course. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.